We're diving into fixing the illegal pop with non-matching JdbcValuesSourceProcessingState error in Quarkus Reactive Code. This cryptic error usually pops up when your Quarkus application, using reactive programming with JDBC, encounters a mismatch between how it's managing database results and how it's expecting to process them. Let's break down how to troubleshoot and fix this. 1. Understanding the error. This error signifies a problem within the internal state management of Quarkus's reactive JDBC driver. It's essentially saying that you're trying to retrieve a database result using POP in a way that's inconsistent with how the driver is currently tracking its processing state. This often happens due to asynchronous operations and incorrect handling of database result streams. 2. Common causes. The most frequent culprits are incorrect usage of reactive operators or mismatches in how you handle data streams. For example, using blocking operations within a reactive chain can disrupt the driver's internal state. Another common issue is improperly handling exceptions within your reactive pipelines. An unhandled exception can leave the driver in an inconsistent state, triggering this error. Failing to properly close resources or prematurely terminating reactive streams can also contribute to this problem. 3. Debugging strategies. First, carefully examine your code's reactive data pipeline, paying close attention to the points where you interact with the database. Look for any places where you might be using blocking operations, like toBlocking, .first, as this can easily create inconsistencies. Secondly, thoroughly review your error handling. Make sure you have proper try-catch blocks to gracefully handle potential exceptions within your reactive streams. Don't just let exceptions silently propagate. This is a significant source of this error. Third, systematically check the usage of reactive operators. Ensure that the order and type of operators correctly align with how the data flows. Incorrect use of flat map, concat map, etc. can lead to unexpected states. 4. Code example and solution. Illustrative. Imagine you have a reactive method fetching users from a database. A flawed implementation might look like this, simplified. Users =database client.execute query. Map row user from row collect list. If user.from row throws an exception, it could corrupt the driver's state. The fix involves proper error handling. Users =database client.execute query. Map row try return user.from row catch exception / log error or handle appropriately return null / or a default user object. Filter objects non-null collect list. This example shows how to wrap the potentially error-prone part in a try-catch block, ensuring proper exception handling within the reactive chain. 5. Resource management. Always ensure you're properly closing database connections and releasing resources. In reactive programming, this often means ensuring that your reactive streams complete gracefully. Improper cleanup can leave resources in a state that triggers this error in subsequent operations. In summary, meticulous code review focusing on error handling, correct operator usage, and proper resource management is crucial for resolving this illegal pop with non-matching JdbcValuesSourceProcessingState error in your Quarkus reactive application. Remember, reactive programming introduces a different paradigm, and handling asynchronous operations correctly is vital for avoiding this kind of obscure error.